I just wanted to show off this beautiful tamper by Pullman. And we're going to be using it with our Lelit Bianca. And we have the Pullman basket in here too. So it's a perfect fit. Perfect fit, as you can see. And then let's just look at the, so you can see there's no coffee on the edges, which is beautiful. Go ahead and pull our shot. We have 18 grams in the basket. You can see I went over. Too much camera angles. But anyways, it looks like a beautiful shot. Slightly over extracted, 40 grams instead of 36. But a beautiful shot, beautiful tamper, beautiful basket, all from Pullman. So thank you. And please, if you like this video, hit subscribe. And if you'd like to see more videos like this and get notifications, hit the bell.